Rajya Sabha MP from Meghalaya Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi has urged Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to initiate an independent judicial inquiry into alleged irregularities within the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. His request follows a campaign by the Khasi Students' Union aimed at addressing nepotism and corruption in the Mpsc's recruitment process. He emphasized that Mpsc follows a Supreme Court mandated selection process and challenged the political motivations behind the accusations.
Inquiry, which means it will be judicial inquiry, and I was just requesting them if they could within a month, or of course maybe they'll take 2-3 months, I don't know, that there is a Supreme Court ruling in which 87.5 is the written, 12.5 is the personal. And not only that, you know why this ruling comes? It comes because there were irregularities in the Assam Public Service Commission. Until date, the chairman of the Assam Public Service Commission is jailed.